hope so. I wonder what Jose Mourinho's handwriting would say this morning.
Slightly across.
Yeah, it's really interesting. The morning after a big defeat for Manchester United like that, normally lots of players would be on social media saying stuff, explaining things. It's been really quite quiet in terms of the players. And the Herrera tweeted, difficult to swallow a defeat like this when you take on the game as we did. He basically was almost not quite apologising, but saying, we'll keep working and the results will come.
Actually started to get really well, didn't it? First 20 minutes.
What was happening?
Really impressive, very high tempo, and then Spurs just battered them away second half.
And that's the key point, isn't it? Let's just say congratulations to Spurs, who won 3-0 on the night at Old Trafford. Harry Kane opened the scoring for them early into the second half. Lucas Moura got the second and then added a third as Spurs absolutely dominated in the second half. Now have a look at this. Jose Mourinho making a point of standing in front of the United fans after the final whistle. This picture's just coming up in a moment. Now what he did at the end was really interesting. There he is. He stood in front of them clapping for longer than you would have expected, given that they've just lost. Plenty of immediate speculation as to what he was doing. He says he was just showing his appreciation, something he felt was lacking in his press conference after the game.